Achieve your goal. She had achieved his goal of teaching at a university. Crowning supreme achievement. It's Bach's supreme achievement. Acquire a taste. While living in Italy, I acquired a taste for Italian wine. The whole affair. Something that happened. The whole affair has been very embarrassing. Acquire a skill. The course helps older people acquire computer skills. Deeply affect. She was deeply affected by her parents' divorce. Look, feel your age. The singer is 46, but she doesn't look her age at all. See eye to eye. To agree with someone. We don't always see eye to eye, but we do respect each other's opinions. Give your consent. Her parents have given their consent to the marriage. Go along with. He wasn't very happy with the idea, but he decided to go along with it. Make an agreement. We made an agreement not to tell anyone. Come to an agreement. The two sides failed to come to an agreement. Pursue your aims. The men worked closely together to pursue their aims. Board an aircraft. 30 passengers boarded the aircraft at Brisbane. Alarm. An alarm goes off. Car's alarm. The proposal has caused great alarm and anxiety. Alibi. The woman was questioned by police and seemed to have a good alibi. Feel alive. I love dancing. It makes me feel alive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And also you can watch the video above to continue learning collocations.